Now that was a pretty fancy intro, wasn't it? Thanks for watching my video. Let's drop all this. That's a lot of bottle cap mines. Don't mind me. Stupid cat. Yeah, so I tried recording a video and my recording software hates me. So
any shop is usually the first stop.
Yeah, my recording software hates me and it was all laggy. So I had to delete the video off my channel. But it's okay. I mean, it didn't really do anything important. It was 40 minutes long, so it doesn't even matter, right? Anyways, what I did in that video was I went to this place. Pretty sure, Bethesda's stealing from, you know, Bungie. I mean 343 Studios! But that's not my business. I didn't kill the cat, it was...
Enjoy your stay!
It's Penny. Speaking of, let's turn on some radio. Never mind, that's not really good. But let's turn on some radio. Okay, maybe we shouldn't listen to the radio. Will you complain about dog meat? Jeez, hey, come on.
It's good to see a new face.
Come on.
Shut up. Shut up. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this place because it's too much to explain. I'll just do it myself. It's pretty crappy because I spent 40 minutes of a video just exploring this place.
Let me know if you want something.
I'm cool. Just to get nothing, so we're gonna find a different quest. Didn't we already go to the Museum of Witchcraft? I don't know, it's I don't know. I don't know. Let's start building a settlement for people. Which means we probably want to go to this island right here. But going to that island requires something I don't really want to do. So maybe we'll just build it somewhere else. How about we just build a sanctuary? Man, didn't realize you had 8 eyes. You sure you're not a spider? You filthy animal. Oh yeah, this place. I forgot I already had people. Oh yeah! Mama Murphy! What up, ma'am? Why aren't your lights working? Shouldn't that be an issue, maybe? I just don't know. I feel like maybe it should be an issue if your lights aren't working. Huh. Whatever, I'll put some neon lights there. They had neon lights, right? Let's give you a... Nope, that doesn't work. I'll give you a fire barrel if I can just get some steel. Don't worry, I have steel. Don't worry one bit, Mama Murphy. See, I told you. You made a deal, right? There you go, nice and warm, burning by the fire. Alright, what else? What else do we got that actually loads? Don't want any of those. Just mirror ball. Yeah, actually, you look pretty calm there. No. I think I'll let you be. Now we just gotta make the slow hike back. Drop off all of my junk. If you know what I mean. No! Dang it, I can't make a sexual joke because of you. If you know what I mean. I'm on the run. Let's stop pocket mama. Still adding materials. Jesus. Oh, R transfer. Store all junk.
Don't
There
take
we
offense
go.
to Marcy. She's working through the loss in her own way.
What'd you say, me? You know, I don't tussle this way. See, I'm a fighter, but I'm a civilized fighter. Okay? Let's tussle, John Long. I'll say that again. Marcy's
Maybe
awesome.
constantly trying to
I want to
kill
do
us,
whatever
but
I can to get that
Commonwealth
Marcy
never
Long
likes
booty.
to say- What?
No matter how sassy she is. Oh shoot, it's Billy!
Tom's gonna
Hey,
be in
Billy.
heaven on this job. Hi, mister.
Hi there.
Hi.
Better not cause any trouble.
Piece of freaking crap. Done with everyone here. Gonna go back home. Red Rocket. It's the only place I'm loved. Cross the sad bridge. Past the memorial. Past the raiders which bodies never go away. Gotta go to bed. It's too late outside. Hope I didn't leave dog meat at Covenant. Eh, whatever. Piece of crap deserves it. Okay, lights off, guys. Can I shut off the generators? Yeah, I think I can do that. Worth. Actually, it's probably easier if I just go from the roof like the lazy butt I am and then jump down. Wow. All works out. Okay, good night, gang. Sleep tight. Don't let the rad roaches bite. Why are the lights so shiny? Oh, there you are, dog meat. Hello. You're gonna have to change your outfit tomorrow, but now it's sleep time. You in my freaking bed, McCready? Get out.
There you are. I almost thought you forgot about me.
Actually, I'll be back later.
All right.
I don't want to talk to you. Sleeping in my bed when I'm not home. You should be ashamed, McCready. Ashamed. And for that, you get a punishment. Oh crap, where'd he go? He's gone, doesn't matter now. Jeez, it's 2 AM. I gotta quit partying. Cause I do party. I have lots of friends. Right? Okay, we're up for the morning. What a beautiful Commonwealth day. Should go find some synths to kill. That dumb building. Oh, wait, let me reload. Wonder what's up there. Oh, there's a family farm over here. Let's go visit. It's like over here. Maybe if I switch to my automatic gun. What is that? Whatever. Someone tried to burn themselves. None of my business. Yeah, why can't we just find like dead people out here? Like we always find the most random things. I'm pretty sure in the actual Commonwealth. I don't know. Maybe Boston isn't a place to visit for spring break. Come on, dog meat. Quite exhausted. Yeah, it's this family farm over here. Aren't you? Family. Brahmin. Hey, dude.
That's close enough, stranger. We're a peaceful farm. We don't want any trouble.
Neither do I.
It's okay, I'm friendly. Not looking to cause any trouble.
If you
I
say
definitely
so,
look
but
like a
be
friendly
warned,
guy.
We're armed here, so don't try anything.
Uh-huh.
Let me tell you, farming ain't easy.
Do I care?
Uh-huh. You call this a farm?
It's pathetic.
Yano, I think you best be moving on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna go talk to your wife. Maybe I can get her to cheat on you for me.
Here for work?
Ooh.
We could use some help picking melons if you've got some spare time. I'll give you
Ooh,
caps for
see?
any you can bring me.
I don't know.
What are you paying?
Yeah, like bottle?
You guys pay for things with bottle caps? What happened to dollars?
Oh, I
and
thought
cents?
I was in
That old
touch.
stuff? Not too useful these days. Unless you're looking to stock up your outhouse.
No time right now.
That's
Yeah.
alright. If you ever do
I
feel
got
like
other things to do. Where's your kids? Jeez. And you've got 1, 2, 3. Oh, music's getting loud. 1, 3. How much are up here? 3. You just got three homes. And a big tower. Ooh, it's over here. Boom. Basically, Chell from Portal. Or whatever. It's a mess. Let's see this dog meat. 2 stim packs and a dirty ashtray. And a score. Score. Commonwealth is awesome. Looks like Boston really is worth a visit. It's over here. Ooh, Wicked Fleet lock up. Oh crap. Hand-to-hand combat, let's go. Oh. Close enough. Still using your hands to shoot the gun. My friend told me there was a key in here. Well, where is it? Jeez, dog meat. God. There's the key, Charlie. Really help you want? Ooh, wicked business.
Blake, I want you to listen to me as a brother here. This whole deal with Eddie is wicked shiesty. I mean, what
Wicked.
kind of business partner threatens to kill you if the deal doesn't go his way? We are in way over our heads, man. I can't see a way out of this.
Neither can I.
No way except shutting down and getting out of Dodge. Give me a chance to talk this out with you face to face. I just want both of us to get out of this.
What's a pepper mill? I've never seen that in such a game. Radiation! Come on, dog meat, join in on the party. Suck it in. It's over here. This is a pretty boring place. Where's the freaking key? Yeah, no, not that song again. I'm as gay as your mom and your aunt. Whatever you say is gay, it's the gay way. Okay, looks like there wasn't anything here for me and you, dog meat. Just gonna lock you in there. Never to see you again. Oh, they're... I don't know why. Bethesda is not immersive enough with their dogs. Someone lonely roadly. Only one I know. Oh, is that carrot flower? What? It's a flower that has carrots. I'm as corny as Jewish ritual. I don't know. What's over here? Ooh, blue truck. Raindrop. You're supposed to say drop top, dog meat. Oh crap. Shoot, shoot, shoot. It's not worth it, it's not worth it. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Sorry, dog meat. I'll miss you. Screw off. The one who got away. It's over here. Ooh, swimming. Swimming is fun. That's a dam. Let's go and visit the super big dam. Look at the dam pipes and the dam trucks. I like dams. I am hitting a good 50 frames per second right here. Does anyone remember my old computer? That was a nightmare. I mean, oh god. Oh, crap, dog meat. Oh shoot, he's dead. Oh yeah, he's the one who got away. Dang. I thought running around naked would be fun. Why'd they add this feature? Where's the entertainment? It's just a big gun. See, you already see all of these after like 10 hours of gameplay. Oh, we're back here? Okay, dog meat, listen, there's a dam over there. We're gonna go visit that dam. Wait, didn't I have a jetpack? 1 second. Where's my jetpack? Dang it. No freaking jetpack. Okay, we're gonna get prepped in some armor. There we go. Make sure that dude doesn't get to us again. And we're gonna quick save so we don't have to make the long hike again. Okay, dog meat, we're gonna be stealthy. I know you suck at that, but hey, we'll try. I wanna listen to what he was saying. My tidy whities. Oh, there's nothing under here. Shh, dog meat. Shh, be careful, dog meat. Be careful. Swim carefully. Hope you can make it. Alright, there you go. Shh. Shh. Okay, here. Oh, what? What? This is different. What the? What the duck? Okay, we're gonna snipe them. It's a bunch of raiders. What the duck?
We can't afford that. Please, we're just farmers trying to get home.
What do we do, boss?
Damn it. Kill him.
No! No! You on my side? Really hope so. Okay, guns are away, dude. I saved your life. Okay, looks like we'll load back and watch him get executed then. Seems a bit more fun. Shh, dog meat. Shut up.
We can't afford that. Please, we're just farmers trying to get home.
What do we do, boss?
Damn it. Kill him.
No.
What? Do it!
Dang it, not again. You know what? Screw you, X3. I'm almost done with you. Oh, someone's got a machine gun. Oh, crap. No.
What's that?
Not him. It's just one of them. He's not in a gang. He's just waddling over here. Kinda feel bad for the poor guy.
I smell you!
Dang. Wasteland's cruel. All these single super mutants. Never get a lady mutant. Probably plays World of Warcraft. Oh, super mutant orders. I probably have a lot of those, but dang it. Radio car. Radio car. Okay, no, I'm not in the time for a settlement. No thanks. Is there a cave? Oh crap! No, I've done basically nothing for this, but holy moly! I wonder what's in it. Dang it, I can't get in. Hear it making sounds. Shh, if you turn the music all the way down, you can hear what's in there. Audio. See, look, you can hear it.
Yeah, fuck your mom. I'm fucking your mom.
It's pretty creepy, isn't it? Whatever. I don't know. Thanks, Obama. Well, I gotta say, there's not really a lot to do. Let's go explore this bus up here, and then I'm gonna end it. Where am I? I haven't really been to this part of the map that much before. I don't know. It's in the bus. Hey, what's that? Okay, looks like we'll go explore that. Looks so cool. Looks like it's got like drugs or something. Maybe I was wrong. Help! Just aim and fire, or do this. That's always works. What's in here? Oh, there's more? Tractor. It's not really interesting. It's motor. Oh crap! Run! 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 Whoa. Okay, well, gonna end it here. I'll let you look at me. Bye, children. Have fun.
He traded his guns for love, but he's caught in the crossfire, and he keeps waking up.